Welcome back to HARBRO Freight, quality videos, lowest prices, and today we have the weekend deal. If you find this useful, please consider liking and subscribing and hyping the video and becoming one of the joining the 4 members of the channel, which I hope to be able to provide some real value to soon. Anyways, let's jump right in. The weekend deal, free gift. And this looks like it's for everybody. Normally, if it's just super coupon, it's free gift with like the purchase of $50 or more. But this is showing free gift with any purchase, September 26th through the 28th, in-store only. Choose one of these 3 items. And I like this. A tarp, the 5-foot 6-inch by 7-foot 6-inch all-purpose weather-resistant tarp. I think this one was just on Project Farm, and it kind of killed even the extreme weather duty, which is a little bit ridiculous. But free tarp with any purchase. And then the 18-inch magnetic tool holder. Tools sold separately. Keep that in mind. I've seen the HARBROs in the comments. I forget who it was, so I'm sure you'll know who you are. They suggested sometimes you can put 2 of these back to back. I think if it's on your tool cart or somewhere where you'd like it, and the magnets will hold each other, and you kind of have like a back to back magnetic holder. I don't know. The idea seemed wild, but it seemed genius. And then we have the 12 by 12 inch microfiber clean cloths 4-pack. If you're telling me you never need, if you tell me you have enough cloths, I need some type of proof because I don't believe it. 12 by 12 inch microfiber cleaning cloths 4-pack. Enter coupon code at checkout. Limit 1 per coupon. It looks like it's the same. Verbatim coupon must be presented at time of sale. Receive 1 free gift. Excludes ITC. Void if copied, purchased. Yada, yada, yada. 926 through 928. So that's our free gift with any purchase. We just did our video on the dollar days. You get your $1. It was a few good items. You could do your battery terminal cleaner. You could do your flashlight, some thread lock, your putty spatula, your multimeter for $5, which I think I might do the Pittsburgh screwdriver set. Anyways, some good options if you're looking for a low price on those. And then just as a friendly reminder, I think I reminded you guys yesterday, $13.99, 26% off for the mini US General steel toolbox. Who got their mini steel toolbox? And then day 5 tomorrow, 26th, we have the ICON creepers and seats. ICON creepers and seats, and then the 30% off all Zurich code readers. And actually, let's just do a little bit of a deep dive into those. Oh, and actually, real quick, if you're into it, brand new tool, Bauer alert. They might get me. Bauer alert. The Bauer 5-gallon bucket tool bag loaded with Doyle screwdrivers or Doyle rules. I don't know if they're using this right, but it looks pretty cool. Bauer bucket tool bag. Quickly convert any standard 5-gallon bucket into a convenient tool organizer. And you know what bucket they're using. You know what bucket's under there. If you're a HARBRO, you probably have like 4 or 5 buckets. Anyways, new Bauer tool bag, which is pretty cool. 5-gallon. And this is what comes up for ICON creepers. ICON creepers. And at 30% off is an excellent deal. And here we'll just look at what they have available. So here's a $90 37-inch 400-pound capacity premium creeper black. Compared to the Snap-on, save almost $200. Ridiculous. Has some nice casters. ICON plated there. That's awesome. Looks relatively ergonomic. Anybody have this creeper? Give us some feedback in the comments. But 400-pound capacity is going to get mostly everybody. Makes it seem like it's super, super sturdy. 1-piece, high-impact PVC, easy to clean, oil and solvent resistant, which sounds really nice. Comfortable foam padding that doesn't slip during use. 6 smooth rolling low-profile swivel casters, integrated carry handle, molded magnetic trays for tools and parts, 2 metal plates on each side of the headrest to hold additional magnetic parts trays. That's awesome. And then it does have a 90-day warranty, but that's great. I wouldn't even think these 2 metal plates to put your magnetic holding trays, and you have your magnetic holders right there. That's very well designed. And at $90, and you get it for 30% off. You get it for 63 bucks. What a deal. And then we'll look at this other one. Very different design. So very different design, 43-inch creeper, also 400-pound capacity. This is a professional creeper. Is this other one not a professional creeper? Premium creeper versus a professional creeper. You tell me the difference. But it has built-in supports for neck and lumbar regions, providing comfort during long jobs, which we do like to hear that. Definitely want to be comfortable down there. Nice casters as well. These look like the wheels on the Badlands Jack. And we'll look at some of the specs. Ultra high performance steel chassis handles the toughest abuse for all terrain. 6-inch casters work on uneven surface. So maybe that's the reason. That's what the difference is. Doesn't matter what you're working on, or doesn't matter too much. You can work in pretty much any terrain. That seems very interesting for a creeper, but I guess sometimes that's necessary depending where you're working. You need to be able to roll around and not have small pebbles holding you back. And then similar 90-day warranty on this one. So this is $140. But at 30% off, you're getting this for 98 bucks, so sub $100. So also a good choice. I learned something new about ICON creepers. And then we have the ICON Professional adjustable shop seat with tool. I have this chair, and to be honest, from the look of it, I wouldn't imagine that it's comfortable, but this thing is comfortable. Doesn't look like it would be, but it's absolutely comfortable, easy to put together. It's really just 2 pieces. 300-pound capacity. Professional creeper has smooth rolling, heavy-duty casters. Onboard tool storage on the bottom. Same thing, magnet for some parts. 19-inch diameter tool storage. 360 swivel, smooth rolling tires. Also has a 90-day warranty. 115 bucks, so it's very steep. I've seen this go down pretty good. I think I've seen it go down to as low as 70 bucks. That was maybe bygones ago. With the 30% off, you get it down to $80, which, I mean, is excellent deal. Excellent deal. Can't go wrong with this shop seat, and it's super comfortable, and it's pretty legitimate, at least how I use it in my garage. Definitely vouch for this seat. I got it in black, but all the colors are pretty nice. And so if you get one of those tomorrow during the weekend deal, just make sure, don't forget, ask for your tarp or your towels or your magnetic tool holder. But we'll, in the spirit of looking at all of these, there's also the 30% off Zurich code readers. I believe I've seen these at 40% off before, but 30% off is still pretty decent. And for anybody who has the Zurich tools, yeah, they're all on clearance because I think they're about to be replaced. I forget what they're getting replaced with. So actually, they're already at a discounted price with it, which is, I want to say, is excellent. But I don't have experience with these. If anybody has used these, what do you think? Let the HARBROs know. But we'll look at this at the ZR15 OBD2 code reader with 3.5-inch display and active test. The premium, I'm assuming the most premium Zurich, and at $270. And you're getting this for 30% off. You're getting this down to $189. So you're saving about $80. $80 at the top end. But definitely a lot of options. But anyways, that's the weekend deal. Zurich free gift with any purchase. Then tomorrow we have the Zurich 30% off code readers. And then also 30% off all ICON creepers and seats. Super solid deal. Might have a busy day tomorrow. You might have a busy day tomorrow, HARBROs. Parking lot sale coming up. But anyways, I'll leave it at that. Happy harbor freighting. Happy shopping. Good luck out there. Please consider liking and or subscribing. And as soon as I have some more deals, I will send them your way.